our mission is really to just make it radically easy for customers to navigate that complex world so that we can find the right type of coverage and products for their needs, whether that's today or into the future. So how do we do that? Of course, we do it with data. This is Data Nova, a data conference. Data is a core part of everything that we do. And we leverage data science and the human touch to optimize that entire experience for each type of marketplace participant, whether they're a shopper or an agent. So we can see here as an example, as customers, as they progress through their buying journey with us, we are running models at each step to generate the right recommendations for them to optimize their experience. And things like product recommendations, as an example, they're going to draw on lots of different data points, like form responses that shoppers are putting in on our websites, how they engage with the actual platform, some basic customer data that we might be able to pull from third parties, the details about the insurance policy offerings themselves. The list goes on and on. Now, of course, it's really easy for me to be here today, standing on the shoulders of giants and saying, yeah, like we could do all this amazing stuff with our data, but that certainly was not always possible. So in the before times, BT or before Trino, as I like to say, we'd really struggle to join data from one database to another. Like our engineers would typically have to copy data across manually for data scientists to just do pretty basic stuff, like run their dashboards, create reports, and then more sophisticated things like building models from 2 or more disparate data sets. And that was a big problem. We could not scale to the needs of the business. Each of these teams, the stakeholders, the technical folks, all fighting to be at the top of data engineering's backlog. And that really was hamstringing our time to insight. It was often taking weeks to deploy the data that was necessary to manage and improve our business. So we can see here, data scientists are underutilized. They're not being as productive as they could be. Stakeholders don't know what the heck's going on. And of course, the business completely on fire in the background during all of this. But now we have Trino and we have Starburst. It's really hard to believe that we actually ever existed in a world before this, where a single point of access to all data isn't the norm. It's actually a really big privilege. I'm definitely grateful for our data engineering team for setting this up. It's helped us unlock a ton of business value